Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I broke my Ender 3. Yeah, I was printing and the print failed. I did an oopsie basically. So in this video I'm basically going to be trying to fix it. I ordered some spare parts off of Amazon, a whole extruder mount, and yeah, that's basically it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I got the box from Amazon, right? And I opened it. I found out that the coupler on the side for the Bodwin tube wasn't there. So I had to order a whole new part. But I'm gonna play a time lapse of me trying to put it on without the coupler for the Bodwin tube. While I was done with that, I finished. Yeah, it's not broken anymore. I'm still waiting for the Bodwin tube thingies to come in. That's basically it. Oh wait, but there's one more thing to do. Googly eye the extruder.